Woo! Me and Tuve are finally traveling together again. Alright, and good morning from Panama. It's been more than 20 days since I made a video, and there is a logical explanation to that. Yeah, pretty much. No, we've been doing things constantly these past 3 weeks. It has been crazy down here in Costa Rica and Panama. So, we need a recap. Hit it. So we started in Costa Rica. Good morning from Costa Rica. Turns out we booked a bungalow in the middle of nowhere. Tuve? Come on! We got to the coast, tried to surf, wasn't the best. Found some friends, made a fire, good vibes, you know. We ended up sleeping on the beach that day. This is our beds. And right there's the ocean. It was terrible. It's freezing. I want a bed. Cold. With a bed. Straight up terrible. Moved to another surf town. The surf was great. Ended up surfing a lot. And then we ended up in a big yellow house in Panama. Alright, this is gonna be our house for the next 4 days. And we have a whole crew from Norway coming here. First, Helena, Ida, Kaya, Noah, and Tuve. And there it was, straight up exploring, trying to find new things every single day. Then it was time to say goodbye to the girls we were traveling with, and that led us to one of the hardest hikes I have ever done. It is 2:30 a.m. here, and we are about halfway on a 14-kilometer hike up a volcano. It is freezing, so we found a little shelter to hide in. And we finally made it to the top of the volcano. We are going to a place we know very little about.